If your gaming rig feels like a snail, you're missing the magic duo. Let's talk CPUs and GPUs. Think of your CPU or central processing unit as the brain of your computer. It handles all the heavy lifting, like game logic, AI, and real-time decisions. But when it comes to rendering those jaw-dropping graphics, that's where the GPU or graphics processing unit comes into play. Imagine your CPU as a head chef in a busy kitchen. It directs and coordinates everything. Now picture the GPU as the kitchen staff, each preparing their part perfectly to create a delicious meal. Both need to work in harmony for a seamless gaming experience. Here's the kicker. Pairing a powerful GPU with a weak CPU is like putting a Ferrari engine in a go-kart. Sure, the engine is powerful, but the rest of the cart can't keep up. The same goes for gaming. A strong GPU can only do so much if the CPU bottlenecks its performance. On the flip side, a top-tier CPU with a budget GPU is like having a genius head chef with a subpar kitchen staff. The CPU can handle complex tasks, but the visuals will lag behind. For the best gaming experience, balance is key. Aim for a CPU and GPU that complement each other. Think of it as a dynamic duo, a Batman and Robin, where both shine together, delivering smooth gameplay and breathtaking graphics. So, next time you're upgrading your rig, remember, a good CPU-GPU pair is crucial. They're the dream team that makes your games look and run their best. Tech Explained, over and out.